A trailblazer, a trendsetter, a visionary, a responsible corporate citizen. That is who we are. Thermo Plastics has been credited with the title of being a trailblazer for infusing versatility into Sri Lanka's largest non-traditional foreign exchange earner, the apparel industry. It spearheads initiatives to create a background of seamless value addition to give the apparel industry the necessary impetus to move ahead and become an apparel manufacturing powerhouse not in the country, but in the world. Having always been a visionary and being at the cutting edge of innovation, Thermo Plastics has introduced numerous products, processes, and systems that has kept it one step ahead of its competition. It has been recognized for its pioneering role in creating a niche offering of flexible packaging, which today has a current capacity of producing 24 million pieces monthly. As a company that has always been conscious of doing the right thing, Thermo Plastics has continuously introduced initiatives that will reduce its carbon footprint and make it an environmentally friendly manufacturing facility. Being a responsible corporate citizen is within its ethos, ingrained into everyday operations, systems, processes, and the ultimate mindset. A BOI company under the umbrella of BAM Holdings Limited, Thermo Plastics is a member of the Fabric and Apparel Accessory Manufacturers Association. Being emphatic, going beyond compliance, it executes a strict policy of exceeding bioconformance standards. The company has a stringent strategy to conform to the diktats stipulated by the Food and Drug Administration, USA and EU standards, Central Environmental Authority regulations, Japanese 5S principles, while ensuring that all manufactured products are BHT free. It is working towards ISO 14001 certification while instituting a consistent framework for continuous improvement. While aiming to be Sri Lanka's pioneering manufacturer of flexible packaging, the Thermo Plastics product portfolio and value additions since its establishment in 1986 have been diverse, extensive, and all-encompassing. The company manufactures polypropylene and polythene bags in multiple shapes, including non-conventional pillowcase, gusseted, perforated, envelope form, and those that fit angular and straight hangers complemented by state-of-the-art printing for up to 6 colors. While the overarching policy of ethics, values, and teamwork drives a motivated team, the emphasis on continuous improvement, on-time delivery, and achieving customer excellence at all times enables the company to always gain a competitive edge and be ahead of its competition. Production process. It begins the process by issuing raw materials on the first in, first out basis. At any given time, raw materials are stored for 3 months in-house and a shipment in transits. This means ample raw material is available to keep the production line moving. A blend of virgin granules are converted into films. Currently, we are capable of manufacturing LDPE, polypropylene, and HDPE plastics. Films are formed as per the customized requirements. All products are in accordance with EU and USA food regulations. Furthermore, material safety certifications are continuously upgraded with SGS and following properties are continuously tested: BHT content, heavy metals including toxic elements, azo-dyes. Making gussets, opaque films, and post-gusseting are some of the additional services. From 4 inches to a maximum of 54 inches can be extruded. Films are printed here as per the client's requirements. Currently, the division is set up to print up to 6 different colors. Local and overseas sources are available for ink, whereas all chemicals are imported. Optimum of 50-inch single print can be offered, whereas the maximum film width that can be fed is 40 inches. All machines are equipped with advanced technical devices such as edge processing controllers or EPC, tension winders, and perforation devices. Printed and unprinted films are formed into bags in this division. Capacity is about 24 million pieces per month. Bag types include side welded, top sealed, bottom sealed, hanger sealed, and bottleneck type bags, bags with adhesive tapes, bags with ventilation holes, book type sealing, and roller sealing. 6 numbers of side sealed machines, 4 numbers of hanger sealers, and 5 numbers of top and bottom sealers are available. All bags are checked at AQL 2.5, and on complexity of the bags, 100% inspection will be executed. A well-trained staff has been employed and continuous training is given to ensure there are no lapses in this process. Bags are packed according to the instructions given by the customers. A comprehensive packaging slip and barcode will be attached to every bundle. Goods are delivered to the client's warehouses according to the scheduled dates. A properly developed modern ERP system has been placed in all divisions. It gives us a cutting edge over the competition. The ERP has been developed in-house and is upgraded whenever the need arises. With the Industrial Revolution, the lifestyles of humans have been changed to a new level that threatens the environment, creating an imbalance in various areas due to mass production, consumption, and improper waste disposal practices. Environmental impacts resulting from such human activities have increased rapidly and become unmanageable. As a result of this, the modern generation has been vulnerable more than ever before to face different types of environmental crisis. It is our strong belief that we all should be committed to controlling these issues. Hence the motto, "Going green is giving life," is given prominence in our corporation policy. We have conducted many programs from energy saving, waste management, water management, awareness improvement, and environment-based CSR projects. Our latest green initiative is the commissioning of a 15 kilowatt solar-powered operating system that generates clean power using natural sunlight. This is a further improvement to the solar-powered street lighting which we installed previously at our manufacturing plant. This solar power initiative has helped us decrease our dependency on the national grid and allows us to benefit quantitatively under the net metering buyback basis. Earlier, the factory was provided with conventional fluorescent tube light which were operated as a batch. Currently, the above lighting system has been replaced with CFC bulbs and high bay bulbs in almost all locations. Furthermore, each and every bulb has been provided with a separate switch which enables them to be operated independently. Accordingly, the new lighting system has ensured a more efficient consumption of electricity and it has helped us to reduce 63% of energy consumption compared to the earlier system. We have made certain changes to the upper walls of the factory area. By installing window openings in the walls closer to the ceiling and making alterations to the normal windows, we were able to use a substantial amount of natural light on our working platform. Also, we have installed skylights to supplement the natural light in locations where lighting was not sufficient. By installing these systems, we were able to run the factory during daytime using natural light. With the aim of making the machines operate at their optimum energy efficiency level, we have fixed inverters to all machines with large motors. By installing inverters, we were able to save 20% of energy. The main electricity panel of the factory has been installed with 5-step capacitor banks which result in increasing power efficiency to between 99 and 100%, thus making a saving of the kVA cost. Currently in the restrooms and the factory, the waste is separated by using color-coded bins. All the employees are educated on this and we have displayed bin color codes all over the factory. All the waste is collected separately and managed in different ways. For the purpose of managing the biodegradable waste, TPL uses the composting method. Both tree planting and composting is carried out as a single project. We use the pit method for making compost. Then it was filled with the food waste we collect, garden waste and soil. 3 layers were created alternately. After the pit is completely filled, we close it and keep it for nearly 2 months. After 2 months, we can use it to plant trees. Being a company in the field of manufacturing polybags, production waste itself is a problem. Identifying that, we have invested in an in-house polythene recycling facility. This facility is used for recycling all the unprinted polythene production waste that is generated at the factory, and finally, it recycles into plastic granules which can be reused as raw materials in the production process. This operation itself helps reduce wastage, optimize raw material usage, and indirectly helps protect the environment by reducing the resource depletion. In addition to this, there are certain types of polythene waste such as printed polythene and polypropylene that are not recyclable. We make sure that even this waste is not being disposed at landfills. We sell this waste to third-party buyers who reuse them. By doing so, we make sure that we are responsibly managing our discarded material in a manner that minimizes the adverse impact it has on the natural environment. The waste generated at the extrusion section is directly sent to the recycling facility, whereas the printed polythene waste generated at the production section is sent to the waste cutting room or the sorting area, where paid workers remove the printed areas and direct the clean areas to the recycling facility. Efficient use of water is another objective of the company. We are in the process of identifying certain fixtures that we are planning on replacing with more water-efficient fixtures. To help this, we believe that the use of water submetering would be of great assistance. Submeters will be installed at major water use clusters and the daily use will be recorded. To educate and improve the awareness of the employees, we have displayed signboards around the factory premises. We keep the generator in a soundproof, well-built room, and we have an oil spill prevention tank to collect any leakages in an emergency. We have given top priority to the safety of employees. For this, we have a fire alarm system, separate emergency assembly points, a display of the fire plan, fire hydrant system, and we have educated the employees on how to react in an emergency situation. Environment management and social responsibility are 2 key areas required to conduct a business in a sustainable manner. To conduct our CSR project, we selected the Pitipana Primary School.